Hello guys, welcome back to Equal Stars Alarms. Today we will be testing my all recently completed fire alarm board. On the front of it we have my Demco Vista 20p, of course, and the exit sign and emergency light. And if we open these doors, it reveals the panel. So for the panel we have a Notifier SFP5UD. For pull stations, we have a Simplex 425121, a Notifier BGX101L converted to conventional, a Simplex 4251-20, and over here we have a Couch F1-B. For the alarms, we have my advanced SW on the alert strobe plate, and the strobe and both of those strobes are tied together, so they both flash for fire. We have my system sensor Spectral Classic, which is a Fix 1575 candela. We have my system sensor L series chime strobe. We have a P2R set to 1575 candela. And we have my multi-candela Spectral Classic remote strobe, and this one is set to 15 candela. Up on the wall up there we have my P2R HK set to 135 candela. And both of these Spectral Alert Advances have their, of course, their two wires, so their horns are always on. The chime is on low volume Code 3 chime. And of course these things are so damn loud you can barely hear that anyway. So I think we are going to start it off. And oh, by the way, the Demco system is tied to this, so when the fire alarm system activates, the Wave 2 will be doing code 3 because, of course, it's set to fire. And it will only do it for the first pull station. After I've silenced it, it won't go off again. So, yeah. So without any further ado, let's start off with the 425121. Jeez, those are loud. We just have the key right up on top of the panel, of course. And now it says fire first zone 1 because zone 1. And also all the cable management for the devices on the door. Alright, let's go ahead and activate zone. Let's go ahead and activate this one. That's strange. And as you notice, the L series chime got out of sync of the advanced horns, which is something I've noticed happens every now and again when they unsilence. For some reason that one starts up first and they lose sync with each other. The strobes stay in sync, but the chime for some reason usually gets one beat off. Alright, moving on, you know what? I think we're going to pull the chevron because that one's more interesting. So here's the chevron over here, and let's pull it. Acknowledge. They all are going off. We silence it. And of course, audible silence, and everything is in sync, by the way. So now the last thing to test is these system sensor i3s. And we're going to do this one because I've taken the horn out of it, and this one gets annoying trying to reset all the pull stations while it's going off. So So yeah, we'll just activate this one. Silence that because they're getting loud, and I'm sure the neighbors are not going to enjoy these going off for much longer. Reset that one. Let's get, where's it? I have another notifier key, but this one's easier. And yes, that one is on the same zone as the chevron, so that one will not re-alarm it. And yes, I also am aware that this one is loose. I don't have a bottom screw for it, so that's why it looks like it's loose, because it is. So yeah, just to demonstrate, this one's already been pulled. See. And yes, I am aware that am using the battery compartment as storage. So I don't have batteries for it because the cable and batteries are over on the Simplex 4006. Anyway, reset this, and that's going to be the test. So thanks everybody for watching, and like and subscribe.